Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm bringing to you my favorite cleaning products. As we all know, spring is creeping up on us, spring is in the air and everyone is doing their spring cleaning. So I thought I'd share with you my favorite cleaning products that I'm going to be using to spring clean my home and keeping it nice and fresh. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to show you is the item by Method, and it is their antibacterial spray. I absolutely love this product. Method products are cruelty free, they're non-toxic, packaging is recyclable, and it's safe to use around the home if you've got children or if you've got pets. This particular one is my favorite. It's the wild rhubarb and it smells absolutely gorgeous, guys. I use this all over the house. I use it on the surfaces, I use it on Oakley's high chair because it is safe to use on there, and it's just a great product to use. The next item is another item from Method, and this is their all floor cleaner. This is the squirt and mop one, so you just have to squirt it onto the floor and use a wet mop over it and then you're good to go. I do actually put some of this inside my spray mop also, and it works a dream. Again, it's got the same wild rhubarb smell like the antibacterial spray that I just showed you, and this leaves your floors nice and clean and shiny. This one I picked up in Tesco. I know you can buy them in most supermarkets as well now. They do go a long way. This bottle here is 750 ml, and then this other bottle here that I showed you before is 828 ml. So that's to show you how much product you get actually in the bottle. So it does go a long way. For £3 you can't really groan about it. I mean, I know some people would say that's £3 is too much for a cleaning product, but it is non-toxic. You're getting a lot of product for your money, and it's also cruelty free, so you know you can't really go wrong with it. The next item on my list is their multi-surface cleaner. This is in French lavender. Again, it's another smell that I absolutely love. Lavender and lemon are my all-time favorites for cleaning around the house, but now that I've discovered that rhubarb one, I absolutely love that as well. So the three of them together just leaves my house smelling nice and fresh and clean. So yeah, so this is their multi-surface cleaner. Again, it's the same specs as the other one. I'm not going to go through it all again, but they are non-toxic and very good to use all around the home. The next item is some items by Dettol. This is their Neutro Air Spray. This is in the Reviving Spring Blossom, and this eliminates smells, like bad smells, at an instant. This one I picked up also in Tesco, but I'm sure you can find it in most supermarkets as well. The next item, sticking with Dettol, is their all-in-one disinfectant spray. It speaks for itself. You know, I spray this on the door handles, onto the toilet flush, onto the taps. I mean, this is really great on door handles and especially on the toilet flush as well. So that's the Dettol spray there. Okay, so the next item on my favorite list of cleaning products is the Cif Micro Crystal Cream, which uses to clean the bar. It's the lemon scented one, and it's also great for cleaning your hob with, and like pots and pans as well. So that's that item there, which is the Cif. Next item on my list of favorites is antibacterial wipes. Now, really, I don't really mind which brands I pick up. I just pick them up whenever I am out and about and I need them. These ones, as you can see, are from Tesco. I paid £1 for these, and you only get 40 wipes. But to be honest, I've actually compared these with the Dettol ones, and the comparison is very, very similar. So, you know, you can save a little bit by just buying the supermarket own brand ones. And this is anti-bac multi-surface wipes in the lemon. Okay, the next items are items by Astonish. As you know, or if you saw in my last video that I did on my favorites, I talk about Astonish products. This is their kitchen cleaner, which is a zesty lemon. This is my all-time favorite for cleaning the kitchen. I know Method do a product for the kitchen, which I also have actually, but I haven't shown it in this video. But I tend to use this one more than anything in the kitchen. Also, I use it in the bathroom. I don't buy a separate bathroom cleaner. I just use this zesty lemon one by Astonish, and I use the Cif. These two products in the bathroom work fabulous together, and they've both got the lemony scent as well. Astonish products are also vegan friendly, cruelty free. Their whole packaging is also recyclable. That's what I like about them, and you do get a lot for your money. This is 750ml. I paid just £1 for this in Poundland, I think it was. Yeah, so that's that item there. Okay, sticking with Astonish products, the next item is the Astonish window and glass cleaner. I have used other brands of glass cleaner, but I just find that this one works the best. Also use this on the shower screen, and I picked this up again in Poundland just for £1, guys. So that's their window and glass cleaner by Astonish. Okay, the next items are also by Astonish, and this is their fabric stain removers. These two products are absolutely great on removing stains. This one you can just spray onto the stain and pop the item in the washing machine. This one you can prep a stain, like you can soak it before you actually put it in the washing machine, or you can put a couple of scoops of this into your washing machine cycle as well to eliminate any stains. So these two work great together, and these are products by Astonish. Again, I picked these up in Poundland, and I think they were £1 each. So that's those items there. The next item on my favourite cleaning product list are items by Sephora. Now this is the Sephora in the Linen Fresh, and this is the Lavender Escape. Now I do have some other Sephoras, but I've actually gone off some of the scents from the Sephora range. I can't really use them in the home. I can only use them outside, like in the wheelie bin or in the food recycle bin, but indoors I can't use certain scents anymore. They just make me feel really sick, and I don't know if anyone else has that feeling when you use certain Sephoras. I'm not using them to like their full potential as well. I'm very much diluting them and using like a couple of drops at a time. These are the two that I can use in the home, and it's the Lavender Escape and the Linen Fresh. These two work a dream. Okay, so the last items on my list are items which I pick up in a shop called Hema. If you can find a Hema, it's worth popping in there to look at their cleaning products. I pick up these two scour sponges in there, and they're absolutely great. They're good size. You get the scoury bit on the top, which is in white, and then you've got this grey colour sponge on the underneath. I also pick up their microfiber cloths. Now I absolutely love their microfiber cloths. Reason being, they're like a cottony base rather than that synthetic polyester base. I used to love the Adese ones until I discovered these by Hema, and absolutely great. They work a dream alongside the cleaning products that I've shown you throughout this video. You normally get a pack of 3 of these from Hema, but I've got one up in the bathroom. I just thought I'd just show you the two best microfiber cloths that I've actually come across, and I absolutely love them. So that's the microfiber cloths from Hema. Okay, so that's the end of my favourite products video. I hope you like the items that I've shown you. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and the notification button to be notified of when I post my next videos. Spring is in the air, guys. Get spring cleaning, and I shall see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.